Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of military discounts and how they can benefit you. Our heroes deserve the best deals, whether shopping, traveling, or enjoying entertainment. In 2025, several apps stand out for providing extensive military discounts. Let's take a closer look at the best ones you can download today. First up is ShopSavvy. This app allows you to scan barcodes and compare prices, ensuring you always pay less for the things you need. Next is Travelopedia. With its specialized offerings, you can unlock amazing discounts on flights and hotels, making your travel dreams a reality. For movie lovers, we have Movie Tickets, which provides exclusive discounts for cinemas and events, perfect for a fun night out. Looking to compare offers? MilitaryDiscounts.com gives you a broad overview of discounts across a variety of categories. It's a one-stop shop. Don't forget about GroceryPal. This app helps you find discounts on everyday groceries, ensuring your meals don't break the bank. Utilizing the Veterans Affairs app can unlock exclusive deals and offers, tailored specifically for you as a veteran. To maximize your savings, check each app regularly for new offers, utilize alerts, and combine discounts wherever possible. In conclusion, these military discount apps can significantly enhance your shopping, travel, and entertainment experiences. Don't miss out on these fantastic resources.